Hi, welcome to Cooking Tips and Tricks. I'll be your host for today's episode. My name's Rhiannon, and we're going to get into corn. Let's talk today about how to choose the perfect ear of corn. Ideally, getting it fresh from your farmer would be great, but if you can't, head over to the grocery store. In choosing your corn husk, you want a husk that is tight at the top and you're not seeing any of those kernels of corn. To store it, leave it in its husk, put it in the refrigerator, and then take it out. As soon as you get ready to prepare it and dehusk it, that's when you should be cooking it. To husk the corn, it's very easy. You can do it just exactly how it is right now, pulling from the top and taking all the silk out. I find that tedious, and I'm gonna let you in on an easier trick. Put this corn straight in the microwave, exactly like this, for 5 minutes. My corn is nice and hot, straight out of the microwave. To start out, you're gonna cut the part that comes off of your corn stalk. So nice and strong, straight through. Grab this and set it aside. Use an oven mitt. Grab it at the top where all of the hair is coming out, and then you just shimmy and shake. This is gonna allow the corn to just pop right out. Nice and strong. And the benefit to this is you have none of those silks stuck in your kernels. Let's talk about ways that you can cook this corn. You can boil it, and that's gonna keep it nice and juicy with salt and pepper, some paprika, whatever you're into. Throw that on the grill. Make sure to rotate it every couple of minutes so that it evenly cooks and it doesn't burn. And then finally, you can also cook it on the stove. Or, better yet, you can make corn pancakes and change up your breakfast. For our corn pancakes, we're gonna cut the corn right off of the cob. You're gonna take this flat section and put it down on that table so it doesn't roll around on you. Now, with a good chef's knife, just follow that cob right from the top, straight down. Work your way around, and look at how easy it is to get that corn right off of the cob. Because I have that flat base, it's not gonna wander around. We're gonna add in our cornmeal, some all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, making sure that we get some protein in here, our cornstarch and salt, and baking powder. All those items go in the bowl, and then we start mixing. Using a medium-sized skillet, add some oil to cook your corn pancakes. So you want something that's gonna be able to hold that heat. You want a higher heat oil. You could use olive oil or avocado oil. Vegetable oil works great too. Take and put a nice sized dollop, allowing your pancake to cook clear through. Things to notice while your pancake is cooking. You've got a fair amount of heat coming off. That tells me that I can lower my heat. And then I can see on the edge that it's starting to brown a little bit quicker than I want. So to keep it from burning, I'm gonna flip earlier than what would be for it to be finished. And as a result of this, I'm just gonna have to be turning my pancake a little bit more frequently. We've got a little bit of gooiness, and when you're making corn pancakes and potato pancakes, there's always gonna be just a little bit of moisture in the middle. Gently pressing on the pancake will also help it cook a little bit further and even out that pancake.
Thanks for watching Cooking Tips and Tricks. We can't wait to see what you make this week. Please tag us on Instagram and all your posts, and we'll see you next time.